Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can get student discount on Apple products. Okay, this is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for student discount on Apple products, and next to that you want to add here your own country. Okay, if you live in United States, you want to add here USA, or if you live for example in India or Australia, you just need to add here the country in the next of student discount on Apple products. Okay, so that's all exactly, guys, what you need to do. After that, you want to click on the first results here where it says education pricing and student discounts, and now you will be able to find all the products that like as you can see that you can get for 10% off. Okay, you need to find which device you want, or as you can see you can find AirPods here, you can find iPad here, you can find multiple Apple products here that you can purchase with a student discount. Okay, so I'm going to go with this one. I'm actually going to purchase one of the Apple products here. You can also, like in the top here, you want to search, for example, if you want to purchase iPhones or iPad or Mac. If you click here on Mac, you will be able to see here that are eligible for student discounts. Okay, for example, I'm going to go with this one, MacBook Pro, and then you want to click on buy. Okay, so after, guys, you click on buy, you want to choose here the 16-inch. I'm going to go with 14-inch, and here filter by ship, I'm going to go with all ships here, and I'm going to select one of these. For example, let's go with this one. Okay, I'm going to click on select. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this is eligible, guys, for education discount. So you just need to click here on add to bag, and after that you want to click here, you want to scroll down. As you can see, I've added like multiple products here. Okay, so I'm going to add here only this. As you can see, click on add to bag. Okay, click on review bag in the top right, and here this is the MacBook Pro. Okay, so that's all you need to do, guys. Okay, it's eligible, as you can see, for education savings here. So that's all you need to do, guys. You want now to add here your zip code and stuff like that, so that you can get this item, or you can go to Apple shop and then get it from there. Okay, or Apple store, I'm sorry, near you. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. If this one helped you, drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys in the next video.